Hi, this is Kim with Deepwater Happy, and this morning I'm going to teach you how to tell the difference between the different types of tourniquets. When I first started looking at assembling a classroom first aid kit, a classroom bleeding control kit, I was confused by all the different options in tourniquets, and I'm not going to go into the pros and cons of each at this point. I'm still learning myself. I'm still taking training. I'm taking a course through crisis medicine. I'm reading some books, watching some YouTube videos. But I do know that in the beginning of learning anything, sometimes it's the terminology that really is confusing. And in the beginning, I couldn't remember which tourniquet was what. I had a hard time remembering. And so I'm going to teach you very quickly how to learn the differences. And I'll start with the one that's the easiest to remember. This one is called the Rats Tourniquet. And the way I remember it is it looks like a rat's tail. That's pretty simple, right? That's a very easy way to remember it. Rats Tourniquet looks like a rat's tail. Our school resource officer carries one of these, and the reason he says he carries it is because it's very portable. It's slightly smaller once it's all compacted, slightly smaller than the others, and that's one of the reasons he carries it. The other type of tourniquet that I've run across so far are cat T and SOF T. And like I said, I had a bit of trouble remembering which was which. And so I'm going to show you very quickly. This one has, see that section there that's kind of shaped like a C? That is a cat tourniquet. And I think about like a cat's paw. A cat's paw grabs you like this. And what happens here is you have a windlass that applies the pressure, and when you twist it, it drops right into that cat's paw, like that. So that is a cat T. The other is called a soft T, and this one is a soft T. This is the one that has the hard metal pieces. There's a buckle so that you can get it around a limb like that. And then once you turn the windlass, you actually have to get this little triangle over the end of the windlass. And that one looks to me a little bit more difficult to do if your hands were wet and if they were slippery with blood. And so the one that's a little bit harder to fit in there is a soft T. The one that's hard is soft. So easier to remember it by opposites. So that's cat T, like a cat's paw. This one is the rats, looks like a rat tail. And this one with the hard triangle that fits over the end of the windlass is the soft T. And that's my video for today. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment below. I could use all the help I could get. I'm so new at all of this. I'm a school teacher and a sailboat captain, and I'm just learning about bleeding control and looking for training, looking for resources for reading, and hoping to never use any of this information. I do know that I wanted to know what was in my bleeding control kit, and I could look in the end and I could see that like a C, so I know that's a cat T in the bleeding control kit. So I'm still learning. So please like, share, subscribe, and follow me as I learn more. Thank you.